So here we're going to look at different LED lights. These are your stock taillights here. This is the license plate light. This is a 168 or a 194. This is your backup light, 921. They're actually the same plug, just different size and brightness bulbs. To replace them, you can use any of the other LED bulbs that have the push-in style, either called the 168, 194, or the T10 base. And what distinguishes them is the number of LEDs on. This one, as you can see, has a total of 8 LEDs, or what they call SMD, surface mounted diodes. This one has a total of 8 and 4, 12. So this would be the brighter one. This is the one you would use in the backup light. This is the one you'd use in the license plate light. Your, of course, tail light bulbs. This being the dual filament, 1157. This is a single, 1156. I'll replace those with different kind of LEDs. This here is an 1156 replacement. A number of, obviously, LEDs on the top and some on the side. This will fit in the signal light holder on your bulb, but you will have to actually just take a file and just gently take a little bit off the edge here. It's just a little too tight to fit in. This is another style of 1157 dual contact. This has a number of, I think we have 18 on this one. 18 separate SMDs, and this is also, like I say, dual brightness, dual filament. This is the new one I have yet to install. This fits in a standard hole, 1157 again, but once it's in, it pops open like this. So it should be a brighter light. I'll be trying that shortly and see how that looks. Now, the problem when you run LEDs is the signal lights. When you start turning signal lights on, you see now that the LED on the left is flashing much brighter, or much faster, I mean. The LED is flashing faster than the standard bulb, and that's because this, being the standard Kia flasher, is a thermal flasher. It relies on a load, in other words, current draw for this thing to flash. These don't have enough current draw, so they don't flash fast. They flash way too fast. One solution is to add one of these, a load resistor. You literally connect this to the wiring for the light bulb and the signal light, and it literally connects across the bulb, adds more load to the system so the flasher flashes at the right speed. If you're going to have one LED bulb on a circuit, you need a 6 ohm resistor. If you're going to have 2 on the circuit, like the front and the back, you'll need a 3 ohm resistor. The better solution is literally to change the flasher out to an electronic flasher like this. This is available from Napa, right here. It is Napa electronic flasher and EP34. Basically, you have to be careful because there are a couple different ones that have the same pinout. EP35, by the way, has the same pinout, but the contacts are reversed. You have, the stock one is a BLE, which is 12 volt, load, ground. This flasher will plug straight into where this one came from without a problem, and everything will work properly after that. You can put all the LEDs in your signal lights to your heart's content. Okay, so this is where you have to go looking for that flasher unit. It's down here and straight up there. So looking up under the dashboard, driver's side, between the side of the car and the steering column, obviously here's all the wiring harnesses, and this set of wires right here leads to the flasher unit. 3 connections. The flasher is mounted from above. 2 clips, one either side. You squeeze and push up, and out comes the flasher unit. This is the signal flasher that you need to replace and change to electronic if you want to run LEDs.